garage is filling up nicely with stuff. We've got almost all the stuff out of the house there. So if you saw from the clip yesterday, I actually couldn't get into the house. And I know obviously nobody had tampered with it because I have this padlock on the outside door as well as all the other doors were locked. And so this door that was here, you notice I just put a brand new steel door in. It was this door. I don't know, I think it was this handle here. It like twisted out and then just wouldn't come back in. So I couldn't get in the house yesterday, and then today, obviously first try, I got right in. So that was kind of frustrating. So I spent a majority today putting in this door. I went with these new Quickset smart key locks, which I like a lot. So the door was 180 from Lowe's. It's a 30 by 80 door, which is a pretty small exterior door. Just a standard 6 panel. In the 30 by 80, they didn't have any other options for, you know, like window doors or things like that. So that was kind of frustrating. But, you know, overall, I'm happy with it. I think the both the lock and the deadbolt set was right at $50. So sorry, here I'm going to change the angle a little. I'm going to go back to a wide angle lens, which maybe will make it a little bit better and easier for you guys to see. This is the front porch. It's clear, which I probably showed you the other day. But I went ahead and scraped some of the paint yesterday when I couldn't get in the door. You know, I was really like limited on what I could do. I went ahead and pulled down the stuff that was bad up there. And then this is that bedroom that has the porch access. And it's frustrating because I changed the lock yesterday or a couple days ago on this one, but then I didn't take the key home with me because I'm like, oh, I won't need it. So yeah, I was just straight up locked out of my own house, which funny. So I'm gonna grab the light real quick and then show you. My mom stopped by as well as her boyfriend. So we've been doing a lot of stuff. You know, see we got most of the stuff out of here. They're gonna take this china cabinet as well as the china. And then from last video, you can see the stuff is out of the kitchen here. And that's some of the floor that I'm going to show you in a second. So the kitchen's like not terribly small when you don't have a table in there, you know, but still a fairly small kitchen. I'm still, you know, I'm standing in this back corner here, and it's a wide angle lens, so you know, it is kind of give a fair representation. But like I was saying before, I'm trying to save the floor in the hallway, and here it is. Now my mom actually got down and scraped all the linoleum off of there. You know, it's still sticky. Like probably got to get some residue remover or something, like maybe even some Goo Gone work for this. Just see there, but you know, you can see that it's a little bit more, well, I don't want to say it's a little bit more worn just because of the difference in the color here, because this still has glue on it. So I think it's actually going to be in really, really good shape when you get some glue on it, or excuse me, some glue remover on it. I mean, it'll look really good and just seamless with the rest of the house, which actually, you know, and this is one of the benefits to, you know, when you're DIYing a project, because, you know, like I wouldn't necessarily know, I mean, I don't really know if you can see me right now with the lighting, you know, I wouldn't necessarily know that I was going to be able to save, you know, like I cut the carpet open on the kitchen, or excuse me, on the stairs, and that's going to end up being, you know, hopefully it'll be okay, which means that hopefully the floor upstairs is okay, which actually it saved me. I think I budgeted like $3,000 or $3,500 to do, you know, the floor in the hallway, the stairs, and the upstairs, because the rest of the floors are fine that I could see. But if all of it's fine, you know, that saves me, you know, $3,500, which is super, super nice. Also, I've been talking to people about the roof. You know, we're gonna look to patch the roof. I don't know if I told you guys this. So instead of actually doing a full tear off, you know, so we're gonna try to patch the roof instead of just fully replacing it, and just see as an option. Because from an insurance standpoint, it doesn't really save me a bunch of money to have a brand new roof. So we're gonna try that. So potentially that could save a lot of money. And then here, my mom actually went and scraped the bathroom. So as we're trying to save it, you know, most of it's off, not all the residue's off. Like it's definitely still got some residue on it, but much better than like this side you can see that hasn't been scraped. But unfortunately with this side, sorry, I gotta put the light down. You know, I don't know if the tiles are gonna be able to be saved. So we will see, and I'll update you on that.